Hello, my name is Gabrielle Stritch. I'm an attorney, mediator, and collaborative lawyer. And today I want to talk to you about being smart about the pounds and not foolish about the pennies or something like that. Anyway, I get some very sad calls in what I do. And I'm specifically referring to elder law and estate planning. What an exciting topic, right? Well, it's pretty exciting when it happens to you. You get the call, and it's like, my relative is in the hospital, and they don't have any documents. They don't have a will, they don't have a power of attorney, they don't have a living will. So we don't know what they want and don't want done to them in the hospital. Nobody has authority to do anything about making decisions for them in the hospital or taking care of their business that they can't attend to. It's a mess. Well, the first problem is somebody taking care of some of the problems outside the hospital, like paying bills and so forth. So let's start with that. Well, what you normally have is a power of attorney. Now, if a person is relatively young and there are no special circumstances, a simple power of attorney is plenty, a page and a half, really inexpensive. I think I charge about $100 for mine. Okay, so we're not talking a big deal. But if you're more mature, I wouldn't know anything about that, of course, then you might need a complex power of attorney. But we're still talking in a really nominal fee to get it done. Well, now this person, this relative of yours, is in the hospital. We can just go in and do a power of attorney right now, right? No. First of all, we need to know that they're competent. And a lot of people in the hospital that are very sick are not competent. They may not even be able to respond in any fashion. One person told me, well, she can blink her eyes. That's not going to be sufficient to determine competency. I would need a doctor telling me she was competent. I don't know whether they'd be willing to do that. So then what do you have to do? You have to go to court. It's a big deal and file for guardianship. It's very expensive, it's time consuming, and it's very upsetting process. So be smart. Take a New Year's resolution and get your documents in place now so that your relatives don't have this agita I've been talking about. And if you need somewhere to go, think of me, Gabrielle Stritch, Stritch Law Firm in Cranberry, New Jersey. My contact information is in the next slide.